Dear all students, very good morning, afternoon, and evening, everyone. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a most important programming question that is probably asked in the placement exam. This question asked in TCS Ignite 2023. So, before going to start about the problem discussion, we am going to and all of you going to say Jai Jai Shri Ram, Jai Ayodhya Dham. So now we are focusing about the problem, that is good number. That is good number. Problem is good number. Problem is good number. The problem is you are given a number n. You are given a number n. And your task is to be determine whether it is a good number or not. Or not. A good number is defined as a number that is divisible by its sum of its own digit. If the number is divisible by sum of its own digit, then it is classified as good, otherwise classified as bad. I am going to discuss this problem about this problem in हिंदी. कह रहा है कि एक नंबर n ले लेना, ठीक है, और टास्क क्या है कि उस नंबर को गुड और बैड निकालना है. गुड कब होगा? जो नंबर ले रहे हो उस नंबर के सभी डिजिट का सम जो आए उससे अगर नंबर डिविजिबल हो रहा है, रिमाइंडर जीरो आ रहा है तो गुड नंबर, अगर रिमाइंडर जीरो नहीं आ रहा है तो क्या होना चाहिए? बैड नंबर. ओके. एंड सेकेंड, द इनपुट फॉर्मेट. द फर्स्ट line of the input will contain the integer t denoting of the number of the test case. T for test case. T for test case. This is compulsory or not compulsory. It's depend on the compiler. Point number 2. Each test case contain a single integer and the number you can need to check. Now we are going to discuss about the output. So output format is given here. Okay. For each test case, print good number if the number is good, otherwise print bad number. This is your output format. Look here, that is 18. Look at here, 18. The sum of 1 8 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, 18 is divisible by 9 is good number. And second number is 1 9 19. Sum of 1 9 is 10. 19 is not divisible by 10. Bad number is bad number. 21. 2 plus 1. Sum of 2 plus 1 is 3. 21 is perfectly divisible by 3. So it is good number. So it is good number. Now I am going to create a program that will check your number is good number or bad number. So I am going to create this program using C programming language, and you can also code Python and other Java, but I am going to create this program using the C programming language. So look at here. First of all, write the header file hatch include stdio.h. hatch include studio.h. hatch include studio.h. hatch include studio.h. second point, int main. This is main function. Create a number int capital N. Second, for sum equal to 0. And third variable use for get the remainder. Third variable is used for get the remainder. So use the print function, printf. Enter the number. Printf, enter the number. Use the scanf function. Use the scanf function for user input. For user input, address capital N. This is scanner. And now I am creating a while loop, and this loop check until n is not 0. Until n is not 0. This loop check until n is not 0. First of all, we get the remainder. Before the loop, we create one more variable int small n that hold the value of capital N. Small n that hold the value of capital N. So first of all, we find the remainder. Capital N is modulo divided by 10. The remainder is going to store in R. Now we use the sum equal to sum plus R. It is the remainder that is used in sum. So once again, n is equal to, get the quotient, n is divided by 10, and now we close the while loop. This body execute until while loop is not going to false. This while loop body will executed until the condition will not false. When the condition will not false, compiler goes outside of the while loop. Here we use if statement. If statement, if small n is modulo divide by sum double equal to 0. Double equal to 0. Open the if body and use the printf function is good number. Is good number. Close the if body. If condition of if will not match, execute else body printf bad number. Printf bad number. Close the else body. Now we are going to close the main function. So now I am going to check this program, run this program. There we find the multiple error. That error we are going to remove. So now we are going to execute this code and check the number is good or bad. Here the loop body, here the if body, and this is the else body, and this is the variable declaration and variable initialization. First I am going to run this program and enter a number. I am going to enter a number 11. The sum of 11, sum of 1 and 1 is 2. 11 is divisible by 2? No. No, to bad number. Bad number. Now I am going to execute once again. Now I am going to execute once again and enter the number 12. The sum of 1 plus 2 is 3 and 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, good number. Number is good number. Once again I am going to execute. Once again I am going to execute 21. The sum of digit is 3 and 21 is divisible by 3. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. Good number. So this is my program. Check the good number or bad number. A number that is divisible by sum of its own digit is called good number. Not divisible by sum of its own digit is called the bad number. So this is your program that check the number is good number, either your number is bad number. This program is asked by the TCS. So this is very important question for the BC and BSc candidates. So don't forget to share and subscribe this video and subscribe my channel for the best coding classes, for best coding programs, and the Python and C++ coding classes is also. So I hope everyone understand about this problem, how it can solved by the you and by me. So for the further and most important coding questions, all of you wait, and we will update daily by daily coding questions and programming questions, programming videos. And so best of luck everyone. Have a nice career and nice future with Mincut PC and your dream company.